Oya mo kí yín o ẹ tún káàbọ̀ padà sórí ìkànnì yìí Gist Entertainment TV ní ìkànnì alálùbáríkà. Ẹ wò ó Portable tún ti sọ̀rọ̀ síta. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí Zazu zẹ̀ wàhálà musician ìdààmú gbogbo industry. Kí ló tún sọ sí Ibrahim Chatta? Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló tún mẹ́nu bà Odunlade ọmọ Adekola àti Ibrahim Itele. Kí ló ní wọ́n ṣe lórí AMVCA awọ́ọ̀dù eléyìí tí wọ́n ṣe ní kòpẹ́kòpẹ́ yìí tó sì ń jà rìnrìn lórí ayélujára. Portable ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀kùn nínú fídíò yìí ẹ láǹfààní láti gbọ́ ohun tí Portable ohun tí Ibrahim Chatta tó tún ṣe fún Portable àbí ohun tí Portable ní Ibrahim Chatta àti Ibrahim Itele àti Odunlade ọmọ Adekola tó ní wọ́n tún ṣe nínú fídíò yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ mi lórí ìkànnì yìí ẹ má ṣe mí ní ṣe méjì ẹ bá ń click lórí subscribe button ẹ like ẹ share ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé kẹjẹ kájọ gbádùn ó yá o.
má kan hard film I dey bill 10 million 2 scene àbí bá lè máa ń pè 2 scene 10 million 2 scene 20 million 4 scene má wọrí. Yes, now I know why they don't give Ibrahim Chatta. No way, they're funny, very, very funny. You see where I did? We don't need una word. We need food. We need money. If they want invite me, say, "Ma, come hard film." I dey bill 10 million 2 scene. Everybody, man, wait. 2 scene, 10 million 2 scene, 20 million 4 scene. My worry. Yes, now I know why they don't give Ibrahim Chatta. No way, they're funny, very, very funny. You see where I did? We don't need una word. We need food. We need money. If we don't get money, we will not be use money buy award. We get glory. Ibrahim Chatta, if they don't award you, God will reward you. Ogami. You are my mentor, I love you. Gbogbo àwọn invite mi kémi náà kó wá ṣe líṣàbí fún yín. Mo mọ fọ́ pa gan o. I'm a real actor. Ọmọ oníkan ni mi ò mo lè ṣe nǹkan sínú fíìmù dàgbà ìyẹn àdúgbò àwọn ọmọ Dagboru. Act me like Sunday Dagboru. Odunlade Adekola. Bó ṣe máa ń ṣe mo lè ṣe. Àwọn Késàrì Ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ bí Ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ Késàrì. Àwọn ni Késàrì inú fíìmù èmi ni Késàrì inú ilé ayé ìyẹn Nàìjíríà Késàrì Nàìjíríà.
So that was from Portable Ọlálọ́mí, but coincidentally Ibrahim Chatta gave response to this issue that Portable raised on Curiosity Made Me Ask that was released that same yesterday. You know, on the show, Bayi was trying to taunt Ibrahim Chatta with the issue of awards, and Ibrahim Chatta said he never put in for the award, and it's because he's not really interested in the awards anymore because he has a lot of awards in his home, that if he wants to get nominated in AMVCA, he will put in for it, he will submit a work that is worth nomination, and then he believes he will get awarded. The only thing that baffles him or that surprises him most times or like really get to him is the fact that they don't invite him to the event. You know, there are like 2-3 events that usually takes place before the award ceremony, but he doesn't get invited to the award. In fact, please let's listen to Ibrahim Chatta talk.
Okay, when you get home, pray that you should win AMVCA too.
I'm not interested.
I'm just saying you should pray for.
I'm not interested.
But I think you should pray for it.
I'm not interested. Why should I be praying for something that I'm not interested?
This is the lie you're interested.
One day,
I saw you.
Let me.
I heard you in that maybe radio station where you were crying. Sorry, you were saying that they did not give it to you.
No. Invite.
They did not invite you.
Oh yeah, wait. Whenever I'm interested to go for AMVCA, I will make a film and submit that film so that I can be rated, so that they can check if I deserve the award or not. But I've not given them any film to nominate me from. But I ask myself, why have I not been invited? Because I see younger people. Maybe some people think, because you know, I'm not a very social person. So maybe they just think, I don't know why, but that was what I said, that I wasn't invited. But apart from that, away from that, do you know how many awards don't sit in me? Award World Organization, Nelson Mandela Clinic. The 41 million youth of the northern Nigeria came to my village in Oyo, awarded me. I got an award with Professor Wole Soyinka, Pink Award last year. Odunlade we is sensible. Oh, award that one you. Oh, award do. Allow do. Our post award new.
Just so you know,
what award?
They've invited me quite some time.
Sheba invited Ko Apate of Talk award now. Did you get the award? Have you gotten any award? I saw you and Shanks talking about that award, and I saw that thing. Ninu mind that you felt pain.
Sometimes life is not about just you.
Baby, I the real one. When you were invited to ANBC, for what? Were you awarded?
At least I was invited.
You were there to clap for people, ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is.
I went to clap. You have hands too now. They don't need you to clap for them.
I can clap from this television now.
Campus Day, evil movie, Nigeria movie entertainment. Campus Day, I want Nolly movie, I want Nollywood. Campus Day now. You go dey fight for award. They don't give Ibrahim Chatta award. Bó ṣe pọ̀ fọ̀tò, bó ṣe jáde tán tó, lọ́wọ́ àti fíìmù tó, wọ́n wọ iṣẹ́ oògùn tó, wọ́n ti dress, the package. Oh yeah, na so they no give me award. Na so they no give me award. They no still give Ibrahim Chatta award. Gbàdá for. If they wan invite me say, ma come act film, I dey bill 10 million, 2 scene. Everybody man pay. 2 scene. 10 million, 2 scene. 20 million, 4 scene. My worry. Yes, now I know why they don't give Ibrahim Chatta. No way, they're funny. Very, very funny. You see where I did? We don't need an award. We need food. We need money. If we don't get money, we will not be use money by award. We get glory. Ibrahim Chatta, if they don't award you, God will reward you. Ogami, you are my mentor. I love you. Gbogbo àwọn invite me kémi náà kó wá ṣe líṣàbí fún yín. Mo mọ fọ́ pa gan o. I'm a real actor. Ọmọ ní nǹkan ni mi ò mo lè ṣe nǹkan sínú fíìmù náà ìyẹn àdúgbò àwọn ọmọ Dagboru. Act me like Sunday Dagboru. Odunlade Adekola. Bó ṣe máa ń ṣe mo lè ṣe. Àwọn Késárì Ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ bí Ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ Késárì. Àwọn ni Késárì inú fíìmù. Èmi ni Késárì inú ilé ayé. Ìyẹn Nàìjíríà Késárì.